In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth could not connect problem in Windows 11. So, standard restarts often don't clear the hardware cache. Unplug your charger and all USB devices, and shut down your laptop completely, or obviously your PC. Then press and hold the power button for 60 seconds, and your PC or laptop might turn on and off. Then plug back in and then turn it on normally. What you can do if the hardware is fine, the software listeners in Windows may have crashed. So press Windows and R on your PC and type in services.msc. Once you go and press that, press enter. Then find Bluetooth support service, which is right here in my instance. Right click it, and if it's not started, start it and then go ahead and restart it, and then that should work. Then you can also find WLAN config. So that's going to be obviously at W towards the bottom. So we're going to find that right now. Once you find it, find WLAN config and then go ahead and right click it and select restart. And then ensure both are set up to start type automatic. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.